Antarctica, a vast white desert of ice, the coldest, driest, and highest continent on Earth. For centuries, it has been a symbol of desolate, pristine wilderness. But what if I told you that beneath this seemingly endless sheet of ice, there lies a hidden world, a world of secrets, mysteries, and untold stories? Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to peel back the layers of ice and discover what truly lies beneath Antarctica. For most of human history, Antarctica was a myth, a hypothetical southern landmass. It wasn't until 1820 that humans first set eyes on it. Even then, its interior remained a complete unknown. The sheer scale of the ice is hard to comprehend. The Antarctic ice sheet covers an area of almost 14 million square kilometers and contains 90% of the world's ice. In some places, it's nearly 5 kilometers thick. That's like stacking 10 Empire State Buildings on top of each other. So, what could possibly exist under all that immense pressure and crushing weight? Well, the first major discovery to shatter our perception of a barren wasteland came in the 1970s. Using ice-penetrating radar, scientists found something astonishing: liquid water. Not just a little bit, but vast networks of rivers and lakes, some as large as the Great Lakes of North America. The most famous of these is Lake Vostok, buried under 4 kilometers of solid ice. It's been isolated from the outside world for at least 15 million years. Think about that for a second. An entire ecosystem, untouched by the sun, evolving in complete isolation for millions of years. It's a real-life lost world. The existence of these subglacial lakes immediately sparked a thrilling question: could there be life in them? For years, drilling into these lakes was considered too risky. Scientists were afraid of contaminating these pristine environments with modern microbes. But after decades of planning and technological advancement, in 2012, a Russian team finally managed to breach the surface of Lake Vostok, and what they found was mind-blowing. They discovered thousands of unique DNA sequences, from bacteria and fungi to more complex organisms. It proved that life can exist, and even thrive, in some of the most extreme conditions imaginable on our planet. This has huge implications for the search for extraterrestrial life on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. If life can survive under the Antarctic ice, why not under the ice of another world? But the surprises don't stop with microscopic life. As technology improved, scientists were able to create more detailed maps of the landmass hidden beneath the ice, and what they found was not a flat, featureless plain. They discovered massive mountain ranges, some as tall as the Alps, complete with peaks and valleys, all buried under kilometers of ice. One of the most significant is the Gambersov mountain range, stretching for 1,200 kilometers right in the middle of East Antarctica. It's a ghost mountain range, its existence only known through the blips and signals of our instruments. Geologists believe these mountains are incredibly ancient, perhaps over 1 billion years old, and may have been the birthplace of the entire East Antarctic ice sheet, which started forming around 34 million years ago. Imagine what these mountains looked like before the ice came. Lush forests, flowing rivers, and a climate that was far warmer than today. And we have evidence of this ancient, greener Antarctica. Scientists drilling ice cores have pulled up samples containing fossilized pollen, spores, and even fragments of wood. These aren't from just any plants. They are from trees similar to the southern beech trees you'd find in New Zealand or South America today. Deep-sea drilling off the coast has also uncovered ancient soil layers from a temperate rainforest that flourished around 90 million years ago, during the age of the dinosaurs. Back then, Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Gondwana, connected to Australia and South America, and it was teeming with life, possibly even dinosaurs. It's a powerful reminder that our planet is constantly changing, and even its most inhospitable places were once vibrant and full of life. Beyond mountains and ancient forests, there's something else huge hidden down there: canyons. In 2016, researchers discovered a massive canyon system that rivals the Grand Canyon in scale. It's over 1,000 kilometers long and, in some places, a kilometer deep. This gigantic trench was likely carved by water long before the ice sheet formed and may now play a crucial role in channeling water from the subglacial lakes towards the sea, influencing the stability of the ice sheet itself. Speaking of stability, understanding what's under the ice isn't just about satisfying our curiosity. It's critical for our future. Antarctica's ice sheet holds enough water to raise global sea levels by nearly 60 meters. As the climate warms, the ice is melting. Knowing what's underneath, the shape of the bedrock, the presence of water, the geothermal heat from the planet's core, is essential for predicting how quickly the ice will melt and how much sea levels will rise. For instance, scientists have recently discovered a massive geothermal heat source under the Thwaites Glacier, often called the Doomsday Glacier because its collapse could trigger a cascade of melting across West Antarctica. This hidden volcanic activity is lubricating the base of the glacier, causing it to slide into the ocean faster. It's a hidden threat that we only just discovered, and it highlights how much we still have to learn. The continent is also a treasure trove of meteorites. Because the landscape is white, and the ice flows slowly, meteorites that have fallen over thousands of years are preserved and concentrated in certain areas, making Antarctica the best place on Earth to hunt for space rocks. These meteorites are time capsules from the formation of our solar system, giving us clues about the building blocks of planets, including our own. So, what else could be hiding? Some more speculative theories point to the possibility of massive, undiscovered natural resources, like oil, gas, and minerals. However, the Antarctic Treaty, an international agreement, currently protects the continent as a scientific preserve and bans any mineral or oil exploration. It's a place for peace and science, not for exploitation. There are also the more fringe theories you might find online, stories of lost ancient cities, secret military bases, or even crashed UFOs preserved in the ice. While these ideas capture the imagination, there is no scientific evidence to support them. The reality, however, is arguably even more fantastic. A world of subglacial lakes teeming with unique life, ghost mountain ranges as tall as the Alps, ancient rainforests from the time of dinosaurs, and colossal canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon. The truth is, we have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of the bedrock beneath the Antarctic ice. We've only just begun to scratch the surface, or rather, drill through it. Every new discovery reveals a more complex and dynamic world than we ever imagined. Antarctica is not a dead continent. It is a living, breathing, and changing system with a hidden world beneath its icy veil. It holds the secrets to our planet's past, clues to life on other worlds, and a stark warning about our future. As technology advances, who knows what other wonders we will uncover in the years to come. The greatest secrets of the last true wilderness on Earth are still waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on this journey under the ice. If you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our world. Let me know in the comments what you think is the most incredible secret hidden beneath Antarctica. See you next time.